This is a power city for the walking stick. Alright, so I buy 2 sets. This is another one. This is the one I bought. I'll put it in now. Yeah. This thing just break apart, split into 2. This thing cost me $5 one from the shop that sells this. So if I buy from the internet, it only cost me like a few or $1 or $2 each. This comes from China, so I bought 2 packs in case the other one will break. So I will have spare to replace it, rather than I will go look around outside any pharmacies or shops that sells this, which is really costly. So done. See, it fits nicely too.